Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Sachi and today's video is a beauty haul. It's not a huge beauty haul, but I got some stuff that I wanted to show, so let's get started. Also, I do have some more products coming in which I got off of the Beauty Bay website, but I wanted to wait for them to arrive, but I could not. I had to do a review on these first. So let's start with this thing. So I got this is the PAC Pack Makeup Fixer, and it's like a setting spray, but they call it the makeup fixer. So the name Makeup Fixer really attracted me because I thought it would be like the Fix Plus, MAC Fix Plus. So that is a makeup fixer. This product is this foundation. It's from a brand called the 7 Girl, no, only 7 Girl, and it's not like a huge brand, it's not even a well-known brand. You can see it's too light for me, like it's white, it's basically white. I don't know if this foundation is meant to be white or it's just white on me, but it's too light. And I got it for something which I cannot tell right now, but it could also be used for, lightening a foundation if you have some foundation which is too dark for you. The next one is this. It's actually a skincare item. It's the Neutrogena lip moisturizer. I have used this before, so I know this is amazing, and it has SPF 15. So the next item is also skincare, so I'll just show it right now. These both are the only skincare items. This is also from Neutrogena. It's their liquid pure mild facial cleanser. So these were all for skincare. The next are these sponges, and I don't know, they're pretty self-explanatory. The next thing, let's just show this. So these are just some nail colors that I got. This one I'm wearing right now. They are from different brands. These two are from, one is from Star and the other one is from Zoom, but they do look pretty similar. Like, I don't know, like the bottles look similar, not the colors, the bottle looks similar. This one is like a golden shimmery one, and then this one is black shimmery one, and this one is the one I'm wearing right now. But the good thing is that even though they are so shimmery, they do not have glitter in it. I mean, they do not have hard glitter in it, because hard glitter it's just the weirdest and the most difficult thing in the entire world to get off of your nails. Okay, I'm done with that. The next thing is, this is the one I'm most excited about. This is their defining 10 hour eyeliner pencil. It's in the shade 02. Let me just swatch it. This is so beautiful, like so beautiful. It's so beautiful. It's like a bronze shimmery color. It's called the Dazzle Transfer Proof Smooth Eye Pencil, but it's amazing. The shade is amazing. Next one is this thing. This is the Chambord Transfer Proof Liquid Lipstick. Oh my god, this is so much raved about on YouTube. I just wanted to try this so bad. I got it in the shade 482. Let's try. So this is how the packaging looks like. I'm sure you would have seen it by now. And let me just swatch it. I have swatched it in the store and it's amazing. So that was the swatch, and I love it. I love the shade. I love the amount of time that it stays on your lips. But it says that it's a transfer proof liquid lipstick, and quite frankly, I don't think it's a liquid lipstick. If you've tried the In Color or the Sleek or any of the matte shades, it's kind of the consistency of that. It's a cream consistency, it's not a liquid consistency. Last 2 to 3 products. The Cheeky Glow blush from Maybelline. and it's in the shade creamy cinnamon. The shade itself is so pretty. So I've got these two eyeshadows. This one is the Miss Claire's one, and this is from In Color. This is the In Color shade, and it's so beautiful. It's a very pigmented matte black shade. The next one is the Miss Claire one. I did not swatch the shade properly, so I am just showing how it looks up close. The last product is the Miss Claire Illuminator. This is in the shade Gleam. Yes. This is like a dupe for the NYX Illuminator, and they have similar shade names too. That one is also called Gleam. But lightweight liquid illuminator that gives skin a refreshed glow and beautiful highlight. It's 30 ml. Wear alone or pair with makeup to instantly highlight and enhance wherever it is applied. So I want to basically use it in every which way possible, and I want to do a separate video with it. So that is coming up. I will update you guys on these two, at least I know for sure. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and do like it and subscribe to my channel. Also keep watching my videos for the updates on some of these products. I'm really sorry for the lighting. It got weird. So that's it. Thank you guys. Bye bye. I will see you the next time. But it's amazing, it's amazing.